Welcome to part 4 of this video, and as you can see here, this I thought was going to be USB-C, but no, it is not. It is one of these old connectors like they used to have a long time ago in a faraway land, in a galaxy far away. Anyway, it'll be fun. It'll be fun to put this in there, although it's not Star Wars. I guess there's an internal battery that that charges and gets charged up. And let's see what happens here. I am guessing that this is just magnetic because I don't see any other way that this would work. So maybe the medium goes on the top like this, and then plus and minus. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Simple stuff. Now I'll tell you guys if it's any better than the other one or not. We'll see. But yeah, there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all.
Likey.